Welcome to Sheri Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, entertainment, and fun. It's just been a matter of days, but already Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited is basking in the energy of the new S Hotel. Yes, you've been asking for it. You've been dying to sink your body into the amazing allure of what is the hottest hip strip place in Jamaica. The S Hotel. No, it doesn't stand for Sheri Fantastic. No. It's simply the S Hotel, a sister company of the Spanish Court Hotel, which we have raved about at this spot some time ago. Now the S Hotel has just opened up her doors, and well, I'm not even sure if it's a she, because she's not a cruise ship, is she? But anyway, she just sounds so sexy. So nevertheless, the S Hotel is a project from the famous Issa family. Chris Issa, you know, they know how to do hotels right, and they are right there in Montego Bay. We know it as the Hip Strip. The name has recently been changed to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. That's awesome as well. It's just 5 minutes from the Sangster International Airport and within walking distance of all the nightlife in Montego Bay. Now, it's also good to know that it shares parenthood with, or should I say, the ownership of the S Hotel is also the owners of the Usain Bolt's Tracks and Record restaurant in Montego Bay, and they're literally stone throw away from each other. Ladies and gentlemen, friends all, you need to get in the vibe, in the hip of the S Hotel, and bringing you footage from an elaborate opening event is Sheri Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. You know, if it's S, it's Sheri Fantastic, and to book this glorious property right there, sharing space with Doctor's Cave Beach, is the S Hotel. Call us now. We will do your booking. We'll ensure that when you walk away from there, you will be refreshed, revived, and revitalized. See you this summer in Montego Bay at the S Hotel. Can't wait. Fun can done. Ciao for now.